I got the fire going. I made myself a hot cocoa. I've got my camera mount set up here. I've got my embroidery kit, and I have these pair of pants that have a hole in them. They're Cozy Earth pants. They are so nice, but they got this hole in the back of the pant, and I'm gonna try and fix it. So I did have a special request to share some hemming pants and clothing videos. I'm gonna start with this one, which is doing an embroidery patch on clothing, but I'm gonna add some more sewing, hemming related videos because lucky for you, I have a stack of hemming things that need to be done in my sewing room. Yes, I am a seamstress, but somehow I cannot seem to get my own hemming and alterations done. So this is going to motivate me. A few months ago, Clever Poppy gifted me this set. I started it in the summer. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. Anyways, life got in the way and I haven't finished it yet. But they also sent me over some of these stick and stitch patches. So you can stick it on and then you do the embroidery, and then I believe it's just water soluble, and then you wash it in the water, the rest dissolves. So I picked out this little bee here. I think the size is going to be great, and I'm going to do it over this patch. Don't mind the dog hair. I got a hoop. So I'm going to stick the one side in here. Okay, I'm going to redo that because I don't want to stretch it. Stick it. Actually, I don't think it's going to cover the whole thing. Ah, I got to find something else. I could kind of do this, but that's not going to really cover it all either. This one will be close. It's a little bit tricky because the fabric is stretchy. Okay, I'm just going to work away at this. Keep going around. And I think I might do a little bit of an outline of it all. Things don't always go as planned, right? It's not doing it for me. It's all stretched out. It's bumpy. I think it looks worse in person. It's all ripply and stuff. And I'm going to take it out. I've got a new plan. We're just going to make this simple. But we're getting this done today. Back to square one. It's kind of a big hole. I can do that. Or I can do a square. I think I like that. I'm going to see if I can thread all of the sizes through this hole. Oh, maybe. Oh, I did it. Awesome. And just tie this in a knot. Trim the extras. screw this. It's just this fabric is stretchy, so stretchy, that it's really hard to get it to stay even. Lessons learned from this. Stretchy fabric. Yep. We're gonna do something else here. 2 strands. Sometimes it's fun to be extra, but sometimes it's okay. Just get it done. Do this from the back side. I gotta wash all this sticky stuff off. You know what? I think I'm just gonna call her quits and be done. Well, that sucks. Okay. I'm gonna put these in the wash and you'll never really be able to tell. I'm gonna put these in the wash and then I have my pants to wear again. That was not what I expected it to be. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to show you some more hemming using my sewing machine, which I'm much better at, I promise. Hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.